8 banana eating mistakes that could be wrecking your digestion. Bananas are a popular fruit in the U.S., praised for their convenience, potassium content, and natural sweetness. From breakfast smoothies to post-workout snacks, they're everywhere. However, despite their benefits, how and when you eat bananas can impact your digestion more than you think. Many Americans unknowingly make banana-eating mistakes that may lead to bloating, constipation, or other digestive discomforts. Understanding these missteps is essential to truly enjoy bananas without digestive setbacks. Let's explore 8 common banana-eating mistakes that might be secretly wrecking your gut health, and how to avoid them. 1. Eating unripe bananas. Many people eat bananas while they're still green, thinking they're just firm and fresh. However, unripe bananas are high in resistant starch, which can be hard for the body to digest and may lead to gas, bloating, or even constipation. In the U.S., where quick grab-and-go snacks are common, people often don't wait for bananas to fully ripen. Instead, let your bananas develop brown spots. This signals higher sugar content and easier digestion. 2. Eating bananas on an empty stomach. Starting your morning with just a banana might seem like a healthy choice, but it can actually spike your blood sugar and upset your stomach. Bananas are acidic and high in natural sugars, which may lead to a sudden energy crash and digestive discomfort when consumed without other foods. Americans often skip balanced breakfasts, making this a frequent issue. Try pairing bananas with protein or healthy fats to slow digestion and reduce gut irritation. 3. Overeating bananas. In one sitting, bananas are healthy, but eating too many at once, especially more than 2, can overload your digestive system with fiber and sugar. This can lead to bloating, gas, or even diarrhea. In the U.S., where people often snack on fruit in bulk for weight loss or workout fuel, moderation is key. Stick to 1 or 2 bananas a day and spread out your intake to avoid overwhelming your gut. 4. Eating bananas right before bed. Many Americans grab a banana as a late-night snack, thinking it's a light, healthy option. However, bananas take time to digest and may cause bloating or discomfort when your metabolism slows down at night. They're also high in natural sugars that can disrupt sleep or cause acid reflux in some people. Instead, eat bananas earlier in the day to support digestion and energy levels when your body is most active. 5. Ignoring food combinations. Combining bananas with heavy or protein-rich meals, like meat or cheese, can slow down digestion and cause fermentation in the gut. This mismatch of digestion speeds can result in gas and bloating. In the U.S., where food pairings like banana pancakes with bacon are popular, this mistake is common. To avoid digestive issues, pair bananas with easily digestible foods like oatmeal, yogurt, or almond butter for smoother digestion. 6. Eating bananas too quickly. In today's fast-paced American lifestyle, many people eat on the go, barely chewing their food. Quickly eating a banana can lead to inadequate saliva mixing and poor digestion, especially of the fruit's starches. This may result in gas or stomach discomfort. Chewing thoroughly gives your body time to activate digestive enzymes, improving how you break down food. So, slow down and savor your banana. Your gut will thank you. 7. Relying on bananas for constipation relief. While ripe bananas can aid digestion, unripe ones may worsen constipation due to their high resistant starch content. Many Americans mistakenly believe all bananas help relieve constipation, leading to digestive frustration. Understanding ripeness is key. Fully ripened bananas with brown spots act more like a mild laxative, while green ones may do the opposite. For regularity, stick with ripe bananas and increase your water intake for best results. 8. Not washing bananas before peeling. Although you don't eat the banana peel, skipping the wash can transfer pesticides, bacteria, or dirt from the peel to the fruit. In the U.S., where bananas often travel long distances before hitting grocery shelves, residue can build up. When you peel the fruit without washing it, contaminants can end up on your hands or the fruit's surface. Always rinse bananas under running water and dry with a clean towel before peeling to protect your gut from harmful bacteria.